Baytown homeowners understand the importance of choosing windows that can stand up to the region's unique climate. With high humidity, coastal air, intense sun, and occasional storms, windows must be built to last. Double-hung windows have become a popular option not only for their classic design and versatility but also for their long-term durability when properly selected and installed. Understanding what makes these windows durable can help homeowners make a confident and lasting investment. One of the key factors contributing to the durability of double-hung windows is the quality of the frame material. Modern double-hung windows are often made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials, all of which perform well in Baytown's humid environment. Vinyl frames resist moisture and do not warp or rot, while fiberglass offers exceptional strength and stability even during temperature changes. These materials are designed to maintain their structure over time, even when exposed to constant humidity and heat. Another important element is resistance to moisture and corrosion. Baytown's proximity to the coast means that salt in the air can affect certain materials over time. High-quality double-hung windows are built with finishes and components that resist corrosion, ensuring that frames, hardware, and seals remain intact. This protection is essential for maintaining both appearance and performance in coastal conditions. The design of double-hung windows also supports long-term durability. With two operable sashes that move vertically, these windows are engineered for repeated use. Modern versions include durable balance systems that allow the sashes to move smoothly without placing excess strain on the frame. When properly maintained, these components can function reliably for many years without significant wear. Glass construction plays a role in durability as well. Most modern double-hung windows feature multi-pane glass that adds strength and insulation. These panes are designed to withstand pressure from wind and weather while also reducing the risk of breakage. In Baytown, where storms and strong winds can occur, this added strength provides peace of mind for homeowners. Sealing and weather stripping are also critical. A durable window must maintain a tight seal to prevent air and water from entering the home. High-quality double-hung windows are equipped with long-lasting weather stripping that resists wear from humidity and temperature changes. This helps protect the interior of the home while also preserving the structural integrity of the window. Proper installation is one of the most important factors in ensuring long-term durability. Even the most well-built window can fail if it is not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that the window is aligned, sealed, and supported properly within the opening. This prevents issues such as shifting, air leaks, or water intrusion, all of which can shorten the lifespan of the window. Another advantage of double-hung windows is their ease of maintenance, which contributes to their longevity. Features such as tilt-in sashes allow homeowners to clean both sides of the glass easily. Regular cleaning and inspection help prevent buildup of dirt, moisture, or debris that could affect performance over time. Keeping the windows well maintained ensures they continue to operate smoothly and look their best. Durability is also supported by UV-resistant finishes. Baytown's strong sunlight can cause fading or deterioration in some materials, but modern window finishes are designed to resist UV damage. This helps maintain the window's color and appearance, reducing the need for repainting or refinishing. Another factor to consider is the ability of double-hung windows to handle temperature fluctuations. Baytown's weather can shift between hot and cooler conditions, causing materials to expand and contract. Durable window materials are designed to handle these changes without cracking or losing their shape, ensuring consistent performance over time. In addition to functional durability, these windows also maintain their aesthetic appeal. Their classic design fits a wide range of home styles, and their ability to retain their appearance over time adds to overall property value. A window that looks good and performs well for years is a valuable asset for any homeowner. In conclusion, the long-term durability of double-hung windows in Baytown weather depends on a combination of high-quality materials, strong construction, proper sealing, and professional installation. With features designed to resist moisture, heat, and coastal conditions, these windows offer reliable performance and lasting value. For homeowners looking for a dependable and attractive window solution, double-hung windows are a smart choice that can stand the test of time.